Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the case study of microwave propagation for 5G networks. How the 5G network is used in the microwave propagation by using the descending approach. We have the different parts. How it will be definitely helpful to the 5G network communication? We can see one by one. The first empathy part, we have demand a high speed and low latency of communication is needed for the advance of 5G networks. Mainly to optimize the micro propagation to become a crucial part, and also the case study to expose us the how the design thinking approach to initiate in the solution of enhancing the micro propagation in the 5G communication. Mainly the 5G communications plays a crucial role enabling the high-speed networks and low latency in the communication is promised by the technologies. This case study is to develop the evolving the living the design thinking approaches and the principles of to study the optimizing micro propagation in the 5G networks. To conduct the interviews, surveys, observation, empathy part with the users, end users to understand their experience and the challenges related to the micro propagation in the 5G networks. Mainly utilize the techniques to utilize the energy and the journey, and also how to mapping the user to experiences and the painful points through the communication process as the empathy part, and also to understand the user perspective, the crucial enhancing the macro propagation, how it will be used in the 5G communication. And empathy is always the grasp the challenges to the faces such as unreliable connections and the slow data rates and the discounting of these communications. That's all the main empathy part for the user's perspective. By empathizing these users to recognize the need for the seamless connectivity and in the remote areas like urban and environments alike, to understand the frustration of the drop the calls and the buffering videos, especially during the crucial moments. So this empathy part to prioritize the solutions to cater the devices users need the ensuring the everyone to benefit to improve the microwave propagation, and also motivate the user to develop and deeper into the understanding the impact part, also bears the daily life business operations. So mainly the 5G communication technology solution is truly empowering the users to unlock the potential main user in the 5G communications. And also, the 5G technologies used in the 5G communication is essential to identify the limitations of current infrastructure technologies, and also involve the analyzing the existing microwave propagation mechanism in the factors such as atmospheric conditions of the interfaces. Additional to that, defining the target performance of the materials, and also such as data transfer rates and signal reliability and the health of the goals. To understand the specific requirements, 5G communication works in the higher bandwidth, the lower latency, and the crucial in case of microwave. Moreover, the spectrum allocation regularity of the constraints is integral in the regions. Mainly, the overall, the defined phase to the ground networks, and also the identifying the operating in the effective solution to enhance the microwave communication with the 5G technologies. Furthermore, the defined phase to improve the consideration of the design thinking and the stakeholders to include the networks operators and the manufacturers, the end users, and understand the perspectives of the users and users in the real. And also the phase involved the conducting the through the market research and the competitive landscape to emerging trends to improve the micro propagation technologies, to defining the scalability and the cost effectiveness of the proposed solution to the crucial of long-term visibility of the adaptation. Additionally, evaluating the environmental impact and sustainability of the aspect to ensure the responsibility to involve the innovations. The challenges such as regularity hurts under the technological contents and their enables corrective microwaves and strategies. The mitigation strategies is different to the microwave communications. The idea is mainly doing the creative flourish, the generative of wide usage of any other potential solution to the enhanced network communication for the 5G communication. Brainstorming the sessions is from the innovation ideas and encouraging the out of box thinking, and exposes the unconventional approaches mainly. So ideators mainly encouraging the culture to exploration, the experimentation, and encouraging the failure of learning approaches faster feed and approaches being able to understand the enhancing the scenario of planning to help the anticipate and the features of trends and about the potential disconnects in the guiding of ideas and we can use it. And also the ideative phase and emphasizes the importance of users and the co-users the feedback loops. They ensure the envelope and the solution resonance between the users. Prototype mainly replaces the selected ideas into the tangible responsibilities and resonance, and ranging from the basic network to the markup. So find out the potential prototype and collaborating with closely stakeholders to ensure the alignment so users meet the technical requirements throughput for the prototype journey. And mainly user the utility is prototype and the basic bridgings and the gap between the hidden and the ideation of implementation with the 5G communication and 5G networks. It mainly used for the project type prototype is a prioritize the functionality over the aesthetic and focusing on the reinforces the functionalities. Conducting the user testing and sessions, they find the best solution for the 5G technologies. The testing is used for the real-world simulation, allows the replicate the variable environmental conditions and also find the end-user testing feedback for the main users of the services. Thank you.